Welcome. How to build a Westport chair. Westport, New York in the Adirondack Mountains is the birthplace of the Westport chair. Some people believe that the iconic Adirondack chair is the descendant of the Westport. Although it appears rigid, its design of wide arms large enough for a beverage and 95-degree angle seat is surprisingly comfortable. The original design of the Westport chair is easy to build and is perfect for your porch, lawn or patio. Instructions. Things you'll need. 2-seater legs 1½ inch by 5½ inch by 34½ inch. 1-seater apron 1½ inch by 5½ inch by 21 inch. 1-seater seat support 1½ inch by 3½ inch by 18 inch. 1-seater low back brace 1½ inch by 3½ inch by 18 inch. 1-seater high back brace 3/4 inch by 1½ inch by 18 inch. 1-seater arm cleat 1½ inch by 3½ inch by 24 inch. 2-seater arms 3/4 inch by 5½ inch by 28 inch. 2-seater posts 1½ inch by 3½ inch by 22 inch. 2-seater arm braces 1½ inch by 2¼ inch by 10 inch. 2-seater narrow seat slats 3/4 inch by 1½ inch by 20¼ inch. 3-seater wide seat slats 3/4 inch by 5½ inch by 20¼ inch. 2-seater end back slats 3/4 inch by 3½ inch by 36 inch. 2-seater narrow back slats 3/4 inch by 1½ inch by 38 inch. 1-seater center back slat 3/4 inch by 5½ inch by 40 inch. Circular saw. Moisture resistant glue. Drill. 3-inch deck screws. 2-inch deck screws. Washers. 3/8 by 2½ inch lag screws. 1½ inch deck screws. Assemble the chair parts. 1. Go to your local lumber store and gather 5 pieces of cedar measuring 2 inch by 6 inch by 8 foot, 2 inch by 4 inch by 10 foot, 1 inch by 6 inch by 14 foot, 1 inch by 4 inch by 8 foot and 1 inch by 2 inch by 10 foot. Bring the list of dimensions under the things needed and ask an associate to cut the 23 pieces of lumber that you need for your Westport chair. 2. Make tapers on the 2 leg pieces. Mark a point on one end 2 inches from the edge and another point on the opposite edge 6 inches from the end. Connect the points with a straight edge. Flip the piece of wood over so that you're working on the same end. Mark a point 2¼ inches from the other edge and 10 inches from the end and connect these points to create your cutting line. Cut both lines with a circular saw and repeat the step with the other leg. 3. Attach the apron piece to the untapered ends of the legs with glue, drill 1/4 inch deep holes and screw as many 3-inch deck screws you see fit to secure it. 4. Screw the seat support onto the legs. Arrange your 3-seater wide seat slats between your 2 narrow seat slats and attach with 2-inch deck screws. The slats extend 3/4 inch over the front of the seat box. 5. Arrange your black slats on top on your back braces and space the slats 5/8 inch apart. Attach the braces with 2-inch screws perpendicular to the braces. 6. Create decorative angles on the outer ends of each arm piece. Use a circular saw to cut lines on each side of both arm pieces 1 inch from the corner diagonally to 1½ inch centers. 7. Set the arm cleat on the edge of your work surface and position the arms evenly against the cleat. Attach the arms and cleats with 3-inch deck screws. Put the arms on top of the posts and attach them with your glue. Once the glue is set, secure the arms to the posts with 3-inch deck screws. Place your arm brace on the outside of each post joint and attach with glue then 2-inch deck screws. Complete the chair. 1. Take the seat and leg assembly and clamp a piece of scrap wood to elevate the front apron so that the bottom legs are even on your work surface. Clamp another piece of wood to the arm/post assembly so that the back cleat is near 2 feet above the work surface. 2. Drill a 1/4 inch hole into each of the inside legs halfway through the posts and attach them with washers and 3/8 by 2½ inch lag screws. 3. Arrange the back so that the low back brace is between the legs. Clamp the back to the seat support and drill 3 holes near the top of the arm cleat and screw them with 1 1/2 inch deck screws. 4. Screw 3-inch deck screws through the legs and into the low back brace to complete the assembly. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.